Hi Australia, I'm Luke Mangan. Tonight is all about real food, comfort food. My roast pork chop, caramelised apple and spiced pumpkin. Let's get cooking. Okay, step one, you need half a butternut pumpkin, a bit of salt, some pepper, and you can spice it up with anything you like. Tonight we're going to use some fennel seeds and get them in there, and some good olive oil. That's going to go into an oven of about 200 for about half an hour or so, or until tender. All right, for the apples, peeled. Now we just quarter them. Take that little core out. Okay, next step, we're gonna get these two beautiful Aussie pork cutlets. Bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and today I'm gonna use some coriander seeds. Ground coriander on both sides, that'll give it a nice little bit of flavor. And what we do then, a good splash of olive oil to a medium to hot pan. Now, we want to get these beautiful pork chops in this pan for about 2 to 3 minutes on both sides, and then we're going to throw in those apples. Just put in about a teaspoon of butter with those apples, and they go in to the oven about 180 or so for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness of the pork. So that's just out of the oven, about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to add a bit more butter. I'm going to add the sugar, which is going to help caramelize the apples. I'm going to add a little bit of this brandy, if you like brandy, and then a little bit of vegetable stock. And just bring that to the boil, and that will be your beautiful sauce for these pork chops. And now a little bit of broccolini with chili. So in a medium heat pan, little splash of olive oil. I'm going to throw in a few bits of broccolini. I like just to toast or roast this broccolini in a pan. Good pinch of salt. You just gently do that for about 3 to 5 minutes. And I'm just going to add a little bit of chili in there now and a splash of vegetable stock. So we're ready to serve. Look at this pumpkin, just scoop that out. How good is that? Then we've got the broccolini with a bit of chili, and then to finish, pork chop with that beautiful caramelized apples and that amazing sauce. And there you have it. Australia, my roast pork chop, caramelized apples, spiced pumpkin. Enjoy.